Hi everyone, this is your math guru. In this video, I'm going to show you how to express the following improper fraction as the sum of its partial fractions. Please don't forget to click on the like and the subscribe button below for more easy to understand math concepts. The fraction shown is an improper fraction because the degree of the expression at the top, that is the numerator, is 3, and the degree of the denominator at the bottom is 2. In order to express it as the sum of its partial fraction, I'm going to start by rewriting the denominator. If I expand, what I'm going to have is 4x cubed plus 10x plus 4, all divided by, I have 2x squared plus x. Now, recall that if I have an improper fraction, for example, if I have 4 over 3, which is an improper fraction, in order to write it as a mixed fraction, I have 3 in 4, 1 whole, remainder 1 over 3. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to start by dividing my numerator by my denominator using long division. So using long division, I have 4x cubed plus 10x plus 4 divided by, I have 2x squared plus x. Now, I'm going to start with the first term in the root or under the root sign, which says that 4x cubed divided by 2x cubed. Now, using the exponential law, I have 4x cubed divided by 2x squared will be 2x. So therefore, the first factor will be my 2x. The next step is to multiply out. The factor at the top is going to multiply my 2x squared plus x, that's the number I'm using to divide, such that I have 2x times 2x squared, that's 4x cubed. Then I have 2x times x, that's plus 2x squared. And then if I subtract what I have, that's the next step. I have 4x cubed minus 4x cubed, that's 0. Then I only have the term in 2x squared, but because it's the expression at the top subtracting the expression at the bottom, I'm going to have minus 2x squared. Then I have 10x minus 0, so that's plus 10x. Then I have 4 minus 0, that's plus 4. The next step, I'm going to take the first term again, that's minus 2x squared divided by 2x squared. If I divide, I'm going to be left with negative 1. And if I multiply out, the negative 1 this time around is going to be the one multiplying 2x squared plus x. So if I multiply out, I have minus 2x squared minus x. And if I subtract, I have minus 2x squared minus 2x squared, that will be 0. Then I have 10x minus x. Now, because it's minus x, I'm going to have 11x. Then I have 4 minus 0 plus 4. Now, if you look at what I have left, I can divide 11x by 2x squared because that degree is 1 and what I'm dividing with has a degree of 2. So what happens is my fraction will now be, the whole number will now be my 2x minus 1. So I have 2x minus 1 plus a remainder of 11x plus 4 divided by, I have 2x squared plus x, and if I factor that out again, I have that as x in bracket 2x plus 1. I'm writing it as a product of its factors. Now I can now rewrite all this as the sum of its partial fraction using, I have my whole number, which is 2x minus 1, which I'm going to leave as it is. So I'm going to work on my 11x plus 4 divided by x in bracket 2x plus 1. And that will be a over x plus b over 2x plus 1. Those are the factors. The LCD, or the lowest common denominator, is equal to x in bracket 2x plus 1. So I'm going to multiply each of the terms by my LCD. So on my left hand side, I have x in bracket 2x plus 1 multiplying the fraction on the left, that's 11x plus 4 divided by x in bracket 2x plus 1 close bracket equals x times 2x plus 1, that's my LCD, multiplying the first term, that's a over x, plus, I'm going to do the same for the last term, that's x in bracket 2x plus 1, multiplying the last term, that's b, over 2x plus 1. If I simplify, I'm going to have x in bracket 2x plus 1 dividing the denominator, that's 1. I have my x dividing x, that's 1, and I have 2x plus 1 dividing 2x plus 1. So what I have left on my left hand side will be 11x plus 4 equals a in bracket 2x plus 1 plus bx. Now to solve, I'm going to look for a value for x that will eliminate either my a or my b. I'll start by saying let x equals to 0. So on my left hand side, I have 11 times 0 plus 4 equals a in bracket 2 times 0 plus 1 plus b times 0. That will eliminate b. So I have 0 plus 4. On my left, I'm left with 4 equals a times 1, which is a. So my 4 equals to a. To find b, I'm going to make the content of the bracket, the factor multiplying my a to be 0. So I have that as 2x plus 1 equals to 0. Therefore, x will be minus 1 over 2. So my next step is to say let x equals negative 1 over 2. And then my expression will become, on my left hand side, I have 11 in bracket minus 1 over 2 plus 4 equals, I have a in bracket 2 times negative 1 over 2 plus 1 close bracket plus b in bracket minus 1 over 2. The next step, I'm going to simplify. I have 11 times minus 1 over 2, that's minus 11 over 2 plus 4 equals a into bracket 2 times negative 1 over 2, that's minus 1 plus 1 plus, that will now become minus 1 over 2b. And I have that as minus 11 over 2 plus 4 equals a times 0, that's minus 1 plus 1, 0. So that goes off. I'm left with minus 1 over 2b. And if I simplify, on my left hand side, minus 11 over 2 plus 4 will give me minus 3 over 2 equals minus 1 over 2b. Therefore, my b will be, I have that as minus 3 over 2 times minus 2 and that will be positive 3. So therefore, I have 11 over x, or 11x plus 4 divided by x in brackets, 2x plus 1 close bracket, will be equal to, my a is 4, so I have that as 4 over x. Then I have plus b is 3 over 2x plus 1. Now I'm going to go ahead to write the proper equation as the sum of its partial fraction. That will be equal to, I have 2x minus 1 plus 4 over x plus 3 over 2x plus 1. Thanks for watching. Bye.